Hola amigos, ¿qué tal? Welcome to Dos Minutos por favor, and today we are going to do the next lesson of basic Spanish conversation. So let's start. ¿A qué hora es tu clase de español? At what time is your class of Spanish? ¿A qué hora, at what time es tu clase de español? Is your Spanish class? Es is the word said. Now you answer a las 7 de la mañana, at 7 in the morning. A las 8 de la mañana, at 8 in the morning. ¿Cuándo vas a tu colegio? When do you go to your school or college? ¿Cuándo vas? Was is the word ir. Ir. ¿Cuándo vas a tu colegio? When do you go to your school? A las 6 aproximadamente. At about 6. A las 6 aproximadamente. At about 6. Now if you want to answer between 7 and 8, between 5 and 6, between 9 and 12, like in this case, entre las 9 y las 12. Between 9 and 12. Entre las 9 y las 12. Now, if you want to answer in half an hour or in an hour, dentro de media hora, in half an hour, dentro de una hora, in 1 hour. At noon, a mediodía. A mediodía. At midnight, a medianoche. A medianoche. Now let's revise. Entre las 9 y las 12, between 9 and 12. Now remember to use entre and y. Maybe between 5 and 7, entre las 5 y las 7. Dentro de media hora, in half an hour. Dentro de una hora, in 1 hour. A mediodía, at noon. A medianoche, at midnight. I hope you understand this video. Please share, subscribe and like. Hope to see you in the next video. Adios.